The first sound I'll be recreating is with this pen. I'll be rubbing it against the desk to recreate the sound of chalk being rubbed on Jerry's head. The second sound would be created with this coin being hit by this remote. And it would be the pool balls hitting against the walls. The third sound would be recreated by these two dumbbells hitting each other, and it's to replicate hitting the balls with the cube. The fourth sound would be this remote rubbing on the desk to recreate the sound of Jerry sliding up the cube. And the final sound I'll be recreating is with this muscle roller, and it'll be for the balls stacking up on top of each other.